Welcome to Dorman Products installation video for our truck bed crossmember repair kit. This Dorman OE FIX solution allows you to replace rusted bed crossmembers while preserving the original bed assembly. This installation is considered difficult. It requires lifting the bed off the vehicle, removing the existing floor supports, and welding on the new supports. The procedure will likely take several hours to perform. In this video, we perform this procedure on a Chevrolet Silverado using our 926-982 repair kit, but the procedure will be similar across a range of part numbers and pickup trucks. If you are unsure about the particular steps for your specific vehicle, please consult an ASE-certified technician or contact the Dorman Technical Support Team. Begin by preparing the bed of the truck for removal in order to access the crossmembers. If you have a cap or bed liner installed, you'll need to remove these first. From under the truck, disconnect any electrical harnesses attached to the bed assembly. Separate the fuel filler neck from the bed, but leave it in place. If you have access to a shop lift, use it to lift the bed from the frame. If you don't have a lift available, the bed can be raised manually with the help of additional people. With the bed removed, rest it upside down so you can work on the underside of the bed. Use a permanent marker or paint pen to mark the locations of the existing bed supports for reference. Call out any dimensions or other notes that will help you locate the new supports properly. Locate the spot welds securing the bed supports to the underside of the bed, typically found on alternating ribs. Use a cutting wheel, grinder, or spot weld drill to cut through the existing spot welds. Separate the bed support from the floor with a pry bar or wedge, being careful not to damage the bed floor. With the original bed support removed, grind away any remains of the spot welds and loose rust to expose clean metal where the new welds will be made. Align the new bed support with the reference marks to determine where your new spot welds will go. Then pre-drill holes in the bed support. Using an appropriate welder, spot weld the new support in place. Replace the additional bed supports using the same procedure. Once the welding is complete, apply paint to the repaired area to prevent future corrosion. Reinstall the truck bed on the vehicle in reverse of the order it was disassembled, making sure to secure the fuel filler neck and all wiring. On the top side of the bed, clean the areas around the spot welds and paint them to avoid rust before reinstalling the bed liner or cap. If at any point you have issues, call the Dorman Technical Support Line or use Dorman's live chat for assistance.